Paris, the City of Lights, has captivated hearts for centuries. Its romantic ambience, stunning architecture, and rich history draw millions of visitors each year. From charming cobblestone streets to grand boulevards, Paris offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. The Seine River, gracefully winding through the city, adds to its picturesque beauty. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply seeking a romantic getaway, Paris has something for everyone. The city's allure is timeless, beckoning travelers to explore its hidden corners and experience its magic. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of Paris and France, stands tall as a testament to engineering ingenuity. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, this iron lattice structure has become an iconic landmark. Visitors can ascend to the top for breathtaking views of the city. At night, the tower sparkles with thousands of lights, creating a magical spectacle. Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, has witnessed centuries of history. Despite the devastating fire in 2019, the cathedral remains a powerful symbol of resilience and hope. The Louvre Museum, home to an unparalleled collection of art and artifacts, is a must-visit for any art enthusiast. From the Mona Lisa to the Venus de Milo, the Louvre's treasures span centuries and cultures. The Arc de Triomphe, a triumphal arch commissioned by Napoleon Bonaparte, stands at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. This imposing structure commemorates French military victories. The surrounding area is bustling with activity, a hub of Parisian life. Montmartre, a charming hilltop neighborhood, offers a glimpse into Paris's artistic past. Once a haven for artists like Picasso and Van Gogh, Montmartre retains its bohemian spirit. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica, perched atop the hill, offers stunning views of the city. Wander through the Place du Théâtre, where artists display their work and soak in the neighborhood's unique atmosphere. Le Marais, a historic district in the heart of Paris, is known for its trendy boutiques, art galleries, and vibrant nightlife. This diverse neighborhood is also home to a significant Jewish community. Explore the charming streets, discover hidden courtyards, and sample the delicious falafel from local vendors. The Latin Quarter, located on the left bank, is a historic student district with a lively atmosphere. Browse the bookshops along the Seine, enjoy a picnic in the Jardin du Luxembourg, and soak in the intellectual energy of this vibrant neighborhood. The Canal Saint-Martin, a picturesque canal lined with trees and trendy cafes, offers a unique perspective on Parisian life. Parisian life, a cultural tapestry. Parisians are known for their chic style, their love of good food and wine, and their appreciation for the finer things in life. From fashion to art to cuisine, Paris sets the standard for elegance and sophistication. The city's fashion houses are world-renowned, and its culinary scene is unparalleled. The café culture in Paris is an integral part of the city's social fabric. Cafes spill onto the sidewalks, providing the perfect setting for people watching and enjoying a leisurely cup of coffee or a glass of wine. Food is an essential part of the Parisian experience. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy bistros, Paris offers a culinary adventure for every palate. Markets like the Marché des Enfants Rouges offer a glimpse into Parisian daily life. Navigating the City of Lights tips and tricks. The Paris Metro is an efficient and affordable way to get around the city. Purchase a Navigo Découverte pass for unlimited travel within certain zones. The metro system can be crowded, especially during rush hour. Walking is a great way to experience the charm of Paris. Wear comfortable shoes and be prepared to explore the city on foot. Many of the city's main attractions are within walking distance of each other. Learning a few basic French phrases will enhance your experience in Paris. Even a simple bonjour or merci can go a long way. Be aware of pickpockets, especially in crowded areas. Paris, a city of timeless allure, will leave a lasting impression on your heart. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, Paris offers a unique blend of history, culture, and romance. The city's vibrant energy, its chic style, and its culinary delights will captivate your senses. As you bid farewell to the City of Lights, remember that it's not goodbye, but au revoir.